Hi, it's Leslie Meredith with Breakbulk Events and Media. I'm here at Breakbulk Middle East in Dubai, and we have just finished a session on Saudi Arabia, and I have our moderator, Rafael Vicens from Schenker, here in the studio with me. Welcome.
Hi, welcome. Good afternoon.
It's good to see you. So, tell me, as the moderator, what was your objective with this discussion today? What did you want to bring forth to the people here at the conference?
I mean, what is happening the last 5 years in Saudi Arabia is astonishing. There is a lot of changes. They are driven by the government and by His Royal Highness Crown Prince. So I wanted to show or give a glance, because in 45 minutes you cannot do much, but I wanted to give a glance of what is happening, how it's happening, and why it's happening, right? That's very important to know why. There is a Vision 2030 that is setting some strategic objectives, right? So one is to empower the Islamic values and leveraging the lifestyle of the Saudis and of the residents. And there is also the second point is the diversification of the sectors and the industries. So country will not depend so hard or so strong on the oil and gas. And then the third objective is that to make the government more effective. And you can see that it's astonishing. I was in October last year. I was there in the MAM. Since 2 years I was not going, I was not flying, and I could see the difference a lot, a lot. People or the government is empowering the woman. Of course, actions like woman can drive now, but woman is working there, so it's not like before that they had a push back and a step back. No, now they are in the forefront, and you can see the improvement is fantastic, I still remember I went to have dinner with a client in one, like GVR here in Dubai, but something similar there in the MAM. And I was having dinner with a lot of women around, like normal situation. I was really. So I wanted, coming back to your question, because I'm talking really too much, I wanted the panelists, really three great people, that are, there are two that are managing directors or CEOs in Saudi, and there is one that is the CEO of Arab Cluster. So I wanted them to show the people or show the attendees how great is Saudi and where we go now with the Saudi Vision 2030.
Okay. Can you give us some specifics on Project Outlook in Saudi?
I mean, well, we can see that there is a lot of developments going on. So Marjan, it is the one is full speed. So there is like 10, 12 packages. So all are already awarded and are going on. Some of them are still on hold because there are some issues between the parties. But I mean, it's going on. So adjacent to the Marjan, there is Jafura. Without Jafura, Marjan cannot work. So it is happening yes or yes, and you can see already Aramco already gave the first 5-6 packages. It's 15 packages. It's a multi-billion-dollar investment, this Jafura. So they already awarded 2 weeks ago to a really well-known EPC. Also, this is in the East Coast, that is oil and gas. So if you go to the middle or in the center, you have the mining, right? You have phosphate, you have gold, you have the companies like Ma'aden, for instance. But all these, they are having their mines in the center. If you go to the west, it is where the Crown Prince wants to diversify the sector the most. He has his vision that he wants to create a better lifestyle for everyone. So he's building all along the west coast the mega cities like Neom, like Qiddiya, like Alula, like Raú Al Madina. So all this is happening already in Saudi, and I'm really excited to see how will be developed in 2022 and next years.
Well, that does sound very exciting and holds a lot of promise. So get us up to date on Schenker. What's going on here in your office?
Well, I mean, I joined 1 year and 1 year and a half in Schenker. I'm really happy because it's one of the best. In fact 2022. We celebrate the 150 years anniversary. So is the eldest company of freight forwarding currently in the world. So they have a vision, or we have a vision, a mission, and a values, right? So, but I mean, what we want to do in this region, in Middle East and Africa, we saw the growth, we saw the potential growth that is in this region is more than the other regions. And well, from the headquarters to the top management here, from our level and from my direct reports, so we are all aligned and going towards one direction, right? That is developing the GPIS. We call it GPIS, it's Global Projects and Industry Solutions. So these two, we have two business units combining one, but we want to create our vision is we want to create the best GPIS division worldwide.
Well, I wish you the best success in that. It sounds great. And it's so good to talk to you again.
Thank you so much, and nice to see you again.